Good morning, everyone. My name is Jenny Bibuntipo, and I am representing the Group 1 with the title of The Site of the First Mass. And before we are going to start our debate, let me show you the Team 1 and the Team 2.
Good afternoon, esteemed audience. Our tale will present the conversations we discuss a significant point in the Philippine history today, the site of the archipelago First Mass. Based on the priceless testimony of Magellan voyage eyewitness Antonio Pigafetta and Francisco Alvo, we claim the Limasawa Island in the southern net. Our propositions hinges on the detailed geographical descriptions provided by Pigafetta and Alvo, that the place of the first mass on an island they referred to Amasua on March 13, 1503.
Good afternoon, distinguished audience. Our team stands in opposition to the proposition regarding the location of the first Mass in the Philippines. We challenge the assertions made by Father Fernando Collins and others who claim that Magellan celebrated the first Mass in Butuan, representing a compelling counter-argument rooted in historical evidence and scholarly inquiry. We invited you to critically assess the arguments presented and join us in upholding the historical integrity of this pivotal moment in Philippine history.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our team will present the proposition. Also, I would like to discuss the definition of Mass. Mass, it is known as a practice among Christian people to honor and worship their God. And for our arguments, which is according to the account of Antonio Pigafetta and Francisco Albo, who are the eyewitness of Magellan voyage. They both state that the first mass took place on an island they call Mazava in account of Albo, and Mazava in account of Pigafetta on March 13, 1521. They both asserted that the island of Homonhon, they went westward towards the island of Leyte and turned to a west-southwest direction. To reach this island, based on this geographical location provided by Albo and Pigafetta, the island of Limasawa in southern Leyte is the counterpart. Thus, the proposition strongly support the motion of this House that the first Mass in the Philippines took place in Limasawa on March 13, 1521.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our team will present the opposition, and we strongly oppose the argument of the proposition on the statement of Father Collins, a historian. In his work, Labor Evangelica, he asserted the Magellan went to Butuan, and there he celebrated the first Mass and erected a cross. And to support this, Antonio Pigafetta testified that he gave a gift of certain things to the Queen Mother of France Louise of Savoy and Mother of Francis I. Gian Battista Ramusu mentioned that a copy of Pigafetta's account was given to Louis of Savoy, whereas this manuscript was translated to French by Jacques Fabre and imprinted by Simon de Collins. Then it was translated back into Italian version by Ramusu, and it was the basis of Collins' account. Thus, on the other way around, Collins' account was considered reliable in that there was a monument erected during 1872 to commemorate the first Mass in Butuan on April 8, 1521. For the reason We claim that the first Mass happened in Butuan.
I disagree with the claims of the opposition. Ramusio's version of Pigafetta's manuscripts are not reliable. The transmission of text from Pigafetta to Louis of Savoy to Simon de Colin is without documentary support. Pigafetta himself didn't mention that he gave a copy of his manuscripts to Louis of Savoy, but simply a gift of a certain thing. Our claims from the first argumentative speaker was based on the original Ambrosian text of Pigafetta, and I would like to point out, based on Father Colin's account, Magellan and his men went to Cebu on April 7, 1521, but in the monument's inscription, the first Mass was held on April 8, 1521 on Butuan. How is it possible to go back to Butuan from Cebu for just one day, wherein Butuan is 236 kilometers away from Cebu, and the ships of Magellan that time are not fast enough? And to add to our argument, on the same day of the Mass, a cross was erected on the summit of a mountain, and according to Francisco Albo, on the summit of the mountain you can see 3 islands from west and southwest, wherein Butuan can be seen on northern direction. Based on the topographic details given by Albo and Pigafetta, it describes the present Limasawa.
Hanipa M. Aminola, the second opposition Butuan. I disagree with their arguments represented by the second speaker. I claim the Mazawa is in Butuan as a proof and historical. The Mindanao Zulu writing by the Francisco Convensu, who worked as a missionary in the Philippines, state that Magellan went to Butuan because they heard the king there was more powerful and they wanted to meet him. It was said that their expectation we are satisfied by the king, and they plant a cross on hill in a solemn ceremony as sign in the future alliance. And Francisco worked the first Mass occurred the same day the cross for the season. We reveal that the first Mass occurred in the Butuan.
I object the statement of the second speaker. Magellan didn't go to Butuan to meet the king there. According to Pigafetta and Albo, while in the island of Mazawa they met 2 chieftains. One is the chieftain of Mazawa and one is the chieftain of Butuan, who was said to be visiting the island. Therefore, on Mazawa, the chieftain of Butuan is not in Butuan but in Mazawa. So in conclusion, Magellan didn't go in Butuan. That's why this proposition strongly believes that the site of the first Mass in the Philippines took place in Mazawa because of the statements of Albo and Pigafetta regarding the geographical directions and topographical descriptions of Mazawa, which best describe the island of the Mazawa than Butuan. And we strengthen our claims. Pigafetta's and Albo's accounts are considered the first-hand accounts. Pigafetta's work is the most detailed and reliable source of information regarding Magellan's voyage, while the claims of the opposition team are based from second-hand accounts.
Our team opposed the motion of this House. We claim the first Mass took place in Butuan, and not in Limasawa. We believe that our sources are reliable and that Magellan landed first on Butuan, where the first Mass took place. The monument erected was the proof for it. In fact, there are artifacts that will prove that the first Mass occurred in the island. Those are the presence of Palanghay in Butuan, which they believe it was used for transportation during Magellan's visit. The opposition team used a wide range of historical sources regarding this historical event, while the claims of the proposition team are only based from 2 accounts. And Butuan as the site of the first Mass in the Philippines has been believed for centuries.
Conclusion Proposition Limasawa. In conclusion, our team support the proposition that the first Mass in the Philippines occurred in Limasawa. Through meticulous examination of primary resources, particularly the first-hand testimonies of Antonio Pigafetta and Francisco Albo, we have established compelling evidence to affirm this position. The account provided by Pigafetta and Albo offer precise geographical details and topographical descriptions that align with the characteristic of Limasawa Island. Additionally, we have refuted the assertion of the opposition, highlighting the lack of reliability in second-hand account and debunking alternative interpretation of historical events. The discrepancy between Ramusio's version of Pigafetta's manuscript and the original Ambrosian text further underscores the importance of relying on authentic primary resources. Furthermore, we have addressed misconceptions regarding Magellan's purported visit to Butuan, clarifying that the encounter with the chieftain of Butuan occurred on Mazua Island, not in the city of Butuan itself. Thus, based on the comprehensive analysis presented, we reiterate our stance that the site of the first Mass in the Philippines is indeed Limasawa.
In conclusion, our opposition firmly rejects the proposition's claim regarding the location of the first Mass in the Philippines. We base our stance on a thorough analysis of historical evidence and scholarly accounts, challenging the reliability of the proposition's sources. Father Fernando Collins' assertion, supported by meticulous research in Labor Evangelista, lends weight to our arguments, as does Francisco Combe's account in Historia de Mindanao y Jolo. These accounts, along with the presence of Balanghay artifacts in Butuan, support our assertion that Butuan, not Limasawa, was the site of the first Mass. Unlike the proposition's reliance on just two accounts, our arguments draws upon a diverse range of historical perspective, enriching the discourse on this pivotal moment in the Philippine history. We maintain our opposition to the motion, confident in the validity of our claims and the enduring significance of Butuan as the rightful site of the first Mass.